All right, so what we can see here is we have our old connection piece, the black, red, and white wires all line up with the new black, red, and white wire. So all we're gonna do is take this piece off, put this on, install the new smoke detector, and we should be good to go. So the ease of that is we will just start undoing these wire nuts here. Take this one off, come in, put that new one right there, put that wire nut back on. Right, here's the deal. We're not all electricians. We're not all super handy, but there's some things we can do ourselves at home that don't require us to have to reach out to an electrician and pay an exorbitant amount of money. And I think this is just one of those. It's not super simple, but it's not very difficult either. Just a little bit of common sense and we can get this done. So here's the old harness for the old smoke detector. The new one is going on here. So as we can see, we've got all these connected, red to red, black to black, white to white. And what we're going to do is make sure those are all tight. And now we can stuff these back up in that cavity. We won't be needing those anymore. And now we have this. Take our new detector, pull the tab out from the battery, so that's active. Take the cap off. This just slides right in the bottom. Now it's in place. And again, this is the old mounting bracket. So, according to Kitty and other people, this should just go right in, and it does. Perfect fit. So, we don't have this actually powered on yet. We're gonna go back out, turn the breaker back on, come in and test this, and see how we do. All right, making our way back outside. One more time. Come here, turn the smokes back on, close up our panel, walk back inside, and we should see how this is gonna happen here. So the good thing is we do have that shows us that it is good. We'll test it.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
All right, all tested, all secure. Install date, expiration date, we'll write all that on there and we should be good. So again, guys, if you have smoke detectors that are over 10 years old, definitely change them out. I got these on Amazon for about $50 each. Check your state codes. A lot of states, I live in Colorado, only require a smoke detector, but some do require smoke and CO. Just for the benefit of the doubt, we put smoke and CO in just to have that extra peace of mind. But again, check with your local municipalities to make sure that you are installing the correct alarms. And good luck, and it's something we can do on our own.